everyone. So today we're going to talk about the inflection ED. So first let's start off. A verb is an action word. So run, walk, jumped, right? Those are all actions. So those are verbs, an action word. So the ending ED can be added to a verb to tell that something happened in the past. Okay? So if you jumped today, well, yesterday you jumped. You add that ED at the end. Okay, so let's talk about this word. This says paddle, right? We doggy paddle in the pool, right? So paddle is our verb because it's an action. Then when we add ED to the end, we get paddled. Okay, so today we paddle in the pool. Yesterday we paddled in the pool, right? It was past tense. We already did it. Okay, so let's look at some other examples. So we have pick, that's our verb, plus ED is picked, right? We picked peaches yesterday. Okay, this one we have open, that's our verb. Add the ED, we have opened. I opened my present yesterday. Okay, next one is want, that's an action, we want something. If you add an ED to the end, you have wanted. So I wanted to go to Chick-fil-A for dinner last night. Okay, then our last one is need. If we add an ED, we needed it. We needed a pencil until we got up and got one. Okay, so ED shows that our verb is past tense, something that has already happened. Thank you.